Here at San Diego Zoo Wildlife Alliance, we have about 950 species that call the San Diego Zoo and the Safari Park home. Our wildlife care specialists work so hard not only maintaining the mental and physical well-being of the wildlife, but also maintaining those habitats.
Koalas can be messy animals. Eating eucalyptus is a very oily material, which means we're going to need towels, which means we're going to need linens. We're going to need things to wipe off that material after the process is completed.
Here at GE Appliances, we take this responsibility very seriously. It's amazing how vital laundry is to care of animals. So we're launching brand new products into the commercial laundry industry. We just installed 31 washers and dryers throughout their 2 parks in San Diego. We really took a look at how do we make this product robust, how do we give it the right number of features, and make it super easy to use so that from start to finish, no matter who's using it, they're gonna have an awesome experience with our laundry products.
When you take into account all the different pieces of laundry we are doing load after load of laundry, and that includes uniforms and towels. If we have joeys that are being hand raised, they are in little pouches, and so all of those things need to be laundered, and it's really important to help keep our animals safe.
There is so much laundry that's generated on a day-to-day basis just with wildlife care alone. Everything from transports, from medical procedures, incubation, chick rearing, enrichment, the material that wildlife care uses to clean these habitats on a day-to-day. It's quite the laundry list.
The Harder Veterinary Medical Center is where we do our work as veterinarians and the veterinary support staff here at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park. We can't have an animal stay clean in a small ICU stall if it doesn't have clean bedding. So being able to provide clean towels, clean blankets is critical to keeping our animals healthy and getting them back to the point where they can go back so they can join their families again.
Having washers and dryers that work well and are efficient and get our laundry clean is a huge time saver for us. We're able to spend more time with the babies and help acclimate them to the things that are going to make them successful in their future.
First and foremost, you think lots and bells and whistles are better. In this category, it really isn't, right? Whether you're a zoo wildlife specialist or you're somebody brand new to a machine that you've never used before, it's got to be simple. So it's a knob or 2 turning on the top load pair. On the front load pair, it's a couple buttons. So making it very simple, very intuitive is really important.
You know, clean laundry is critical for the day-to-day care of the wildlife here at the San Diego Zoo and the Safari Park. So it's such an amazing thing to have reliable equipment that we can lean on, and we are just so grateful for GE Appliances for their support.
We really saw the San Diego Zoo as a wonderful opportunity to kind of create that proof point that, hey, if it's good enough for the demands that they have, that just imagine what it can do for property managers, laundromat owners, their tenants, and their guests. Really excited about the launch, really excited about our partnership with the San Diego Zoo Wildlife Alliance, and we think we got great big things, good things for life in commercial laundry.